Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Stand tall and feel strong from head to toes. Stay low and feel your power. Hold plank and build strong muscles. Push strong through hands and feet. Balance slowly and stay controlled. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Lift up and strengthen your back. Open your chest and feel strong. Sit low and power up your legs. Push feet down and lift hips high. Balance like a boat and stay strong. Stay grounded and feel your legs. Stretch wide and activate your whole body. Be a strong warrior standing tall. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Hold steady and feel powerful. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Reach back and grow even stronger. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Hold strong and stay balanced. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Feel strength in your legs and core. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.